Have you ever wanted to be able to do something like this? Well then, stick around, because this video documents exactly how I do it and the most efficient way to do it in that case. This is not a tutorial on how to use FL Studio. So here we are on my desktop and everything, and now I'm going to show you exactly how you make it so that you can efficiently record audio inside of FL Studio. Basically, okay. The first method is the method that I usually use, and it's the quickest way. First of all, you open FL Studio, prompt that you have the latest version, and then you simply tap on this little button here. This pops up, you press FL Studio ASIO Mono in 1. I guess in 2 works too, but for the sake of this tutorial, press in 1. And already you should start hearing your voice coming back at you. And you can just go into the mixer and turn that off if you don't want to hear it. Then you go over here, you middle click, you press down the scroll wheel, and as you can see, it kind of like just widened, and now you have this. These two you don't need to touch. This is what matters. This basically turns on or off the recording. So if, for example, it's off now, and as you can see, it isn't recording. But if I turn it on, now it is recording. That is the quickest way, and that's how I usually do it. Also, if you don't know how to get this panel to pop up when you start the program, the way you do that is you go into Options, General Settings, and then you make sure that Show Startup Splash Screen is checked in the miscellaneous thing. That category. Now, if you want to set it up on your own, then it's actually not too complicated. First, for the sake of this, it's an empty project. Go to track 1, right click, track mode, audio track, select the mixer track. I'm gonna select insert 1. Now, you go into the mixer, go to insert 1, click here, FL Studio ASIO Mono in 1. Again, you should hear your voice coming back at you, so you can turn that off. And now, if you press here, again, it widens, and now these pop up. And just like before, you can just record, but it didn't record. And as you can see, now it's recording. To make sure that it actually records into the playlist immediately, just do something in here. Just like, press somewhere here on the playhead. And so this pops up. Or just click here, that works too. Make sure it's set to song. But basically, that's all you need to do really. Now you know how to record audio into the playlist. Simple, right?